I'll be honest with you, the price of the 2 BHK that I'm about to show you is a bit high, but just hear me out. So this 2 BHK at Ville Parle West is in a low density property and has a carpet area of 694 square feet. Upon entering, you have a dining section right here, and this is going to be a living space, and both combined is around 200 square feet. This is a very premium apartment, and you will see that there is Italian marble flooring and 10 feet of internal floor to ceiling height. The kitchen area is around 72 square feet, has two parallel platforms, and down this passage we have a common washroom right here, and right opposite to it there is a 100 square feet common bedroom, which is quite accommodating, and you have plenty of wardrobe and storage space as well. Finally, this is a master bedroom on this side, which has a size of 145 square feet, and on that side is its master washroom. Both the washrooms here are approximately 40 square feet in size, and you will see that in both the washrooms there is premium quality faucets and premium quality tiles as well. This is a really low density property as well. It is only of 11 stories with just 3 apartments per floor, making a total of 30 or 35 units in total. This property is located right on the SV road, making it a very prime locality, and everything is basically within 10 to 15 minutes from this place, including the airport, the railway station, many schools and colleges as well, like NMIMS, Mithibai, CNMS, etc. Also, you can reach Juhu, Andheri East and Ville Parle East also very comfortably. This is the only nearing possession property in this locality of Ville Parle West, having a possession date of March 2026, which is less than 6 months away. If you invest in this property, you'll also get a good rental yield out of it, as this is a very prime locality. If you want to know the exact pricing and all the other details, please comment interested and we'll send it right to you.